We respectfully invite the principal of our school Mrs. Shiramani Patharathna, the vice principal Mr. Sujit Wickramasinghe, Mrs. Iroma de Silva, Mr. Keelam Priyadarshana, the head of ICT Mrs. Majawanthi Dias, the coordinators of AI Club Mrs. Shashika Patharana, Mrs. Inoka Kolyani and the secretary of AI Club Tsum Gaushana to light the oil lamp as symbols of knowledge and bright beginning.
Now I am going to talk about the most important part of my presentation, which is my AI model. As we move forward with technological advancements, the laptops has become an essential device for us today. A problem that many people face when buying a laptop is deciding the price they should pay along with the computer components they need. My AI model can be used as a solution to this problem.
For the active participation and completion of the modules conducted by the AI Lab from September 2024 to January 2025. මගේ ඊළඟ ආරාධනය මාස්ටර් RPG ගවේෂණ රඳුණු for the active participation. මගේ ඊළඟ ආරාධනය මාස්ටර් HMD දේශාභි හේරත්. කොහොමද මේ ස්තුතිවන්ත වෙනවා. සම්මානයක් කියලා.
මේක තමයි මම හදපු AI මොඩල් එක. මේක හැදුවේ COVID-19 චෙක් කරන එක දාලා.
If a slower person is slowly coiled in the long run, the person makes pneumonia. If the man made of pneumonia, the person is also dead. We can take care of Master K.A. Kausika Sandeep. Master W.M. Hasandeep Ulvin. Master M. Harusha Sandarwan. MP.U. Nayak. Master A.M. Saminda Nishan. මෙහිදී සූතිවන්ත වෙනවා ඇලෝ ප්‍රියදර්ශන ගුරුතුමන්ට G.A.I.D. Morales. W.M. Nikila Denuan. R. Kamini Diletma. R. A. Manisha Abasar. මෙහිදී ස්තුතිවන්ත වෙනවා ගුරු පියාණන් ඔබතුමන්ට. A. මෙත්සර ශංකර්. Master S.A.D. Hasilu Mayor. Master T.M. Abhishek Mithurana. Master A.M. P.T. Attanayake. Master A.A. Keshan Satsara. දෙහිම ස්තුතිවන්ත වෙනවා රෝමා විදුහල්පතිතුමියට. AMMS අත්නායක.
දරුවනි ඇත්තටම අපි අද පරිගණක තාක්ෂණයේ පරිගණක පරිණාමයේ පස්වෙනි අවධියේ ඉන්නේ. පස්වෙනි අවධිය කියන්නේ කෘත්‍රිම බුද්ධිය මත පදනම් වෙච්ච තාක්ෂණයක් භාවිත කරන අවධියක්. ඉතින් අද වන විට ලෝකය මේ කෘත්‍රිම බුද්ධිය කියන ශ්‍රේෂ්ඨය තුලින් සමාජයේ වෙනස්ම අතකට යොමු කරමින් ඉන්න අවස්ථාවක තමයි ඔයාලා මේ යම් උත්සාහයක් දරලා තියෙන්නේ.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am truly honored to stand before you today as the coordinator of our amazing AI Club, a group that has not only shared a passion for innovation and technology but has also come together to learn, grow, and support one another in this exciting field. Today, we're here to celebrate the hard work, dedication, and creativity of every individual who has contributed to the success of our club. As we look back on the journey we've taken together, it's clear that our accomplishments have been made possible by the collective effort of each and every member. From brainstorming ideas to building cutting-edge projects, we've pushed the boundaries of what we can achieve, together. I'd like to extend a special thank to our principal madam, vice principals, mentors and teachers who have guided us. Thank you for your wisdom and support. Your encouragement has been invaluable in helping us reach new heights. And of course, a huge thank you to our incredible members. Your passion for artificial intelligence has been nothing short of inspiring. You've shown what it means to be a true innovator, always curious, always eager to learn, and always willing to tackle challenges head-on. As we continue to grow and explore the possibilities that AI has to offer, I encourage all of us to remain dedicated, creative, and collaborative. Our journey doesn't end here, it's just the beginning. The world of AI is vast, and there is so much more we can accomplish. Congratulations to all of today's award recipients. Your hard work and innovation have truly set you apart, and we are so proud of what you have achieved. Keep pushing boundaries, and remember that the future is in your hands. Thank you all, and here's to the continued success of our AI Club.